Jenna Citrus here with She Finance. And so today we are looking at my foolish investments, where I'm taking some stock picks. I'm trying to build a new portfolio up to 20 stock, at least 20 stocks, not up to, but at least 20 stock picks. And right now I'm putting $100 each in these stocks. And I was so excited to show you guys when I woke up this morning. So I checked it. I'm like, oh yeah, I was dreaming about it. I was like, oh, what did they do? So when I woke up this morning, we were at $308 and I was just thrilled. And I'm like, ah. And then I didn't even know this, but we got up to 300 and almost $16. Okay, make that 3,000. And also I have an extra $1,000 in here by accident that I will reallocate into index funds, which makes me feel happy. But then we did get down into the negative, so we lost $6 at one point in time, and right now we're riding just about even and easy. But it's so interesting to see how these stocks have stacked up. And yes, it's only been less than a day. It is tomorrow. It is the morning because I was getting ready to place some orders last night, and even though I have Robinhood Gold, the whole 24-hour trading thing isn't on most stocks, so had to wait. Man, this one's like kind of really tanked. So is this one. I thought they were going up. Well, I know that one had gone up earlier. Okay. I don't know. Something going on in the market. But anyways, we're not here to focus on the losses. We're here to get more stocks. We're going to buy some more stocks, even though this may be the top of a bubble. You never know when the bubble is. Although all these stock charts look so different from my index funds. My index funds look like this. These stock charts look like this. And we're gonna talk to Claude. So I don't always use Claude, who's basically ChatGPT but a different version, for every single transaction, but I do love to use him to like run some info through for stocks. And I'm like, okay, are any of these bad? Or because he's definitely flagged a few in my portfolio before. I love that I did a portfolio review with Claude. I know we didn't even talk to my Edward Jones advisor, who's really sad at me, but we'll talk to Claude, which may or may not be the best thing. But he also wanted me to sell like 90% of my stocks, I will say that. But I think some of these we can get into. But I wanted to draw your attention to this. It says Walmart is down 11% just this week. The cliff drop off is likely tariff related since Walmart imports heavily from China. Not a long-term red flag necessarily. Oh wait, Walmart always recovers, but you're catching a falling knife right now. If you don't own it yet, wait for stabilization. So keep that in your mind. Wait for stabilization versus, he said, do you want me to dig into what's actually driving the Walmart drop this week? And I'm like, okay, sure. And then here's what happened. Bottom line, this is a classic buy the dip guidance. Buy the guidance dip setup on a blue chip. Walmart has done this before and recovered every time. And so it's like, if you don't own it yet, this is actually better entry than last week. And I'm like, do we want to wait till the falling knife quits dropping, or do we want to buy it now? So I was inclined to buy it even just a few days ago because I was like, oh, look, Walmart's down a little bit. So that was my thought. But what do I know? I'm just a girl with a Robinhood account. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not recommendations or endorsements for these stocks. These are just some things that I'm trying that honestly feel like gambling. So let's get that other $1,000 invested in index funds. Honestly, the whole stock market feels like gambling to me. Just a little bit. Not like terribly, but a little bit. So anyways, so I made a list and I shared my list with Claude. So I'm going to get back on my list. And let's start with the non-red flag ones. So let's type in, boo, 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 boo. We're in the right account, FSLR. Love clean energy. So that other one that had, was it the rare earth stuff? That, I don't know if that exactly aligns with me personally. And that was one thing that, unfortunately, it was a little bit later on in the building of the portfolio book that we talking about. We gotta pull it back up again. Here we go. So I can quote which book I'm talking about. I kind of read so many books. There we go. Rule Breaker by David Gardner. I finished it. It was a page turner, or digitally pages, or non-pages. But he was saying that like you should be able to wear a T-shirt for every thing that you want to have in your portfolio, and want those things to be things that you want to be in the future. And I'm like, oh, that makes sense. And not that I'm like all about Walmart, but and he's also like, if things that you would notice if they just disappeared, because I am really all about green technology, like innovative solutions, like eco-driven things. And it's my first time learning about hydrogen powered anything. And I'm like, well, I want a hydrogen powered car. And then I'm like, can I get one of those fillers at my house? They're like, no. I'm like, okay, well. So I'm not getting a hydrogen powered car yet, apparently. I just wish there was more infrastructure for them because I would be so on board, I think, minus the fire hazard. So I'm kind of in this like cost benefit analysis because the more I hear about them, the more they sound amazing. But we're not here to talk about hydrogen power. We're here to talk about buying some of this stock. Okay. Oh, yep. We're doing it while the market's open so we can actually buy it because I've actually been experiencing that problem with ROCY. I've been trying to buy it and I didn't want the ask price at $83 to accidentally buy some really expensive stock, so I've been trying to set a limit price, but my limit price is not high enough, so I guess I gotta keep working on that. Keep bumping it up. I'm like, no, just buy some already. Hurry. All right, getting some first solar. Double checking the bid numbers, the buy numbers. Oh, that is actually, see, they've got a bit of a spread there. We could be paying $1. Yeah, we're going to be paying a little bit more of a premium for this one. So let's expect, which is kind of odd. I'm going to hit the button. And it's going to probably, yeah, look at that. We lost 13 cents buying it. I don't think that's I happen to be up or down at a certain point in time. But anyways, sometimes you got to pay the weird secret little fines in there to get them. Because I had one person say, doesn't Robinhood charge you a lot of little fees? And I'm like, that's the only, I'll call it secret little fee that I might say right there. But I could have also placed a limit order, which I've been trying to do and not getting it filled. But okay. Oh my God, I love this ticker symbol. Are we going to pronounce it T-Rex or Trex, as I think one would probably pronounce this? But I actually, so ChatGPT did suggest this to me. It's, they're recycling plastic products and turning it into wood for decks and railings. And I think I should buy some to build one of my future dream projects that I currently don't have enough money to fund, which is one of the reasons why I'm trying to get some long shot stocks in there. So been hanging out with Trex, which doesn't look great for the last year, but I don't know. Seems like it's kind of going up, at least lately. Yeah, the more I look at this, the more it doesn't look great. They say it's solid. Solid investment, Jenna. Oh, this is so terrifying. Wait, fool, individual. Okay. I don't like this. I just like looking at index funds and buying those. This just feels like gambling. All right, double check the spread size. Not terrible. A couple pennies lost there, though, just for those of you keeping track of the investment pennies that we are losing. But, yeah, just something to keep an eye on. So I've heard, and tell me if I'm using the wrong company here, because sometimes I just get a little overwhelmed. Oh, why'd you go up so high before I could buy you? Trying to get you bought earlier. I'm going to come back to SoFi, because I'm very price sensitive. Someone who should not be investing in things. I don't know. Guess I should have bought this last night. May 27th. That's today. All day. It's just, see, look what I missed out on by not getting invested. Or that. All right, we're gonna come right back to you. I feel like you just did a bunch of movement. But I've been in a few of these programs before. I think it was called Lending Club. And I have not looked into SoFi to see if you can actually invest money on there. Yeah, no? Like Lending Club. Like Lending Club. Oh, is Lending Club still around? I feel like Lending Club, like, closed me out of it or something. I don't know. Anyways, moving quite along. This is a pure Motley Fool slash, again, another one that was like fine earlier, but now it's on the move. All right, we're gonna pull these two up to the side. They're spiking. Are you spiking? Oh, the dogs looked at me. They're like, Mama, what's that? We're gonna do these later. They're on my to buy list still, but I'm just gonna wait for the I'm supposedly going to wait, because then again, you watch it too long and it doesn't move at all. Or it does move at all, sorry. It just keeps doing this. Up and to the right, up and to the right. I mean, that's what you want them to do, so. Love me some renewable energy. Yeah, so we've got the hydro component and the wind and the everything in there. Well, this one did sort of the nice thing this morning. If you're trying to buy it, they dipped. And here we are. Buy $100. Oh, look at that beautiful spread. Wait. Yes, beautiful spread prices. We should buy these. Although there goes our 3 cents already. Boo. Boo. But we're over here diversifying. Here we go. It says speculative but small position. Should it be a smaller position than the position I'm taking for $100? I don't know. Looks very speculative. I really want to invest $50 instead of $100, but buy the dip. Well, the good news is we have a balance between blue chip and small cap and speculative and really random stocks, so. And the ask and bid price are nice and clean. Lots of people are buying this right now. Oh yeah, here's something nice and stable we can buy. What if we, oh look, a dip. Oh look, one of those nice clean graph charts that just like kind of pleasantly goes up and follows the market. Yay. Although it's not like huge income generator, because yeah, that's back from 2000. Man, is that too low of a rate of return to buy? If I'm buying this for my slightly more risky portfolio. Where'd it go? Oh, there is. Oh, because this isn't a mutual fund. Sorry. Also, I made a mistake the other day. I was talking about something I thought was an index fund, and it was not. All right, we're taking this to stock analysis. Well, that's a very different picture. Oh, wow. So as we go back to 1984. I mean, the good news is there is a dividend of 2%. And it's below its price target, which vaguely seems okay. Sorry, I'm just trying to consume information. Man, these are a lot of numbers. Some of them I know what they are, some of them I don't know what they are. Always love looking at the dividends. I'm still stupid obsessed with dividends. It's a whole problem. Yep, we love dividends. Yes, we do. Look at that, so even and nice and clean. They must be a bank. All right, this is what I would like to see. I just want this number to be like, it went up by this much every year. No. Okay, well, I don't get to learn that date, but Oh well. We'll do it anyways, right? Isn't that what we do when things get scary? Just do it anyways. Ooh, look at those numbers actively ticking. I just went down and then went back up. Okay, buy. Quick. Go. What did we buy it at? Oh, good. 302.20. Oh, nope, it went down. All over the place. Okay, and let's go look at Walmart. That's not it. Western Alliance Bank. Nope. Oh, I feel like you've already kind of recovered. No, I guess not. I'm just price sensitive. I feel like everything's expensive. That's just me. Boop. There's your cliff at 134. And this is down, I think. No, it's not down over a year. It's down over. No, still not over down year to date. Just seems like it's time to buy. Doopa-doopa-doopa-doo. Let's do it. Let's fall in love. All right. 62, 64. Bye. It just happens so fast. And supposedly every time I place a trade, Robinhood gets a little bump or unbump or something happens. Something has happened. All right, I feel like I'm just going to watch these lines the rest of the day and wait for them to move around enough. All right, how are we doing? Good, bad, ugly, different? Doesn't seem like there's been much happening in the portfolio since earlier, but okay. We are invested in some more funds, and I have 2 more that I'm going to get invested in here shortly. And ooh, that one's already gone up quite a bit. I love, sorry, it just makes me so excited. I'm like, look, we bought the dip. We did it. We've earned 76 cents. Yay. Now we have to sell the dip, right? No, just kidding. We're going to try to hold these for 3 years. I'll probably try to do, I guess quarterly check-ins is the fun thing to do. And I have 2 or 3 more that I've kind of been, let me look at. Yeah, this one. So I love the idea of this company, but I don't know if I should buy it or not. It's slightly more down than it was yesterday. It's actually down a lot. It's a discount. Buy it now. Oxide fuel-based power generation platform. I just was sort of dumbfounded when I found out about this whole hydrogen gas thing. Because, like, I mean, it feels like a little bit of science, and it's like, why aren't we doing this everywhere already? But I don't know. Should we be buying this dip that's happening right now? The dip is already going over. I feel like I'm about to impulse buy this. At least it's not shoes, right? Man, over a month it's gained $63. That's pretty intense. I don't know. I mean, the most I have to lose is $100, so we'll do it. Maybe we'll have 21 positions in this portfolio. Who knows? But I'm gonna do it real fast before it changes. Oh, it already changed. Did you see that? Did you see that? It just ticked up and away. Man, you are. Stop. I want to buy some. Losing money every minute. Don't hit the button. Oh, and we lost some. There you go. Anyways. Oh. See, now we're gaining it. There we go. Good. This one's a bit more of a speculative, risky stock, but I don't know. Feels promising to me. Sometimes you just see things that are just like, just gotta do it. Go with your gut, right? My gut tells me stock trading is risky. And we're almost down. We're almost back to where we started. How about that? We're breaking even. Dang, look at that gain on Kava. I know, it's been less than 24 hours. But there's been $6. What if we sold it and rebought it when it went back down? But that was the whole problem I had a long time ago, is that I was trying to wait for it to go back to $50 to buy it again. Oh, Jenna. Sometimes I'm a mess. It's like, what if we kept it? What if we'd held it? What if we didn't? It's a new company. I'm excited for it. I'd like to have one in my neighborhood, area, town, region, even an hour and a half away in Jacksonville. I would go drive there. Like I drive to Costco all the time. Amazon's doing nice. Oh, that's fun too. I just now noticed all of the percentages are equalish to my gains because it's $100. So there's one way to keep your ducks in a row. Oh, one more fun thing before we sign off here. So in his book that we've been talking about all day from David, he said that he wants you to have a minimum of 20 to 25 stocks in a portfolio so you're diversified. So when you lose all of your value in one of these, it won't be the end of the world. But he talked to someone else and said, he asked him how many stocks he had, and he said that he had 77 different stocks that he was watching. And then David had said, that's too many because you're so young, and because the guy was 25, but the guy was like, but I'm ready to retire, so I want to have my portfolio diversified and ready for retirement age. And I'm like, ooh, fun. And David came up with something, and he said, for every year old that you are, you can have a stock and have that be like a ratio. And I mean, it's like, it doesn't even really matter, but apparently I might need to buy some more stocks, so maybe I should leave that 3K in there and get some more stocks. I'm not even 3K years old. I'm I'm more than 3K years old. I have to get 33 or 34 $100 in there to get properly invested, diversified that way, because I'm not old. So, if only I were playing this game at 25. What can you do? Except play it now. Although I would have been really sad because it would have been 2019-ish, and then the 2022s and 2023s would have happened, which I just ignored everything. I'm like, nope, it's not going to look at it. And then, I don't know, now we're doing this game. So thanks for joining me. Appreciate you. Have fun. Hope you're out there making informed decisions. Sometimes, funniest thing. So when he finished the audiobook recording, because he was all about AI and technology, at least a little bit. And then he made this thing at the end, and he said, this audio book is not to be used to train AI. And I'm like, why not? Like, if you're making a whole audiobook and you think AI is the future, wouldn't you want to allow them to do that? I mean, I know it sort of probably has copyright repercussions to do that, but I don't know. If this is the future you want to build, don't you want to build it with your friends and help train your fake internet friends? Just saying, pointing out inconsistencies. But thanks for hanging out. Hopefully this has been a fun portfolio building exercise. Or maybe you're not making bad decisions like me and getting BE, or Walmart, who's already gained 3, it's going back up, or JP Morgan, who's going down. We'll visit back in, because the best thing we can do is give this portfolio time. I can quit obsessively watching it and say, we just made 5 cents. We just lost 5 cents. Don't want to do that. Although sometimes it's fun to just sit here and watch it tick. So, that once went down a little bit. See, what goes up must go down. I don't know how much it's going to go down before it goes back up, but I was just like, it went up so much. So, thanks for joining me. Appreciate you, and I'll catch you in the next video. See ya. Bye-bye.